Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I've been seeing Patty do a lot of mukbang, so I wanted to try one myself. This is like my first ever mukbang, and I got this from, what is it called? Super Arepa. It's in like a Chevron gas station, and I wanted to try it. I think I've been there before, but I don't really remember. So I got like fries. I got like the combo. It was like $10, $11. Good for the price. And I also got like this arepa. I'll unwrap it for you guys so you guys can like see it. It's like, has a lot of juices in it. Okay, so you guys can see this delicious food. Arepas are literally my favorite food on this planet. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is how it looks. It looks so good, bro. And look at how big this is. Then how am I gonna eat this? Nah, I'm gonna eat it. Oh my god, this looks so freaking good. I need a plate so none of this drops.
I'm off to the sidelines today, guys. I'm watching her work her magic. I took her to go get this, and I'm super excited. I'm in the middle actually of recording a glow up video, so you guys peep the braids and stuff. I'm trying to do a 24-hour glow up. I'm gonna go ahead and get her a plate. Don't put that face down. I'm gonna go ahead and get her a plate, and y'all are gonna see her eat today. And I'm so proud of her for coming out of her comfort zone and doing this. Like, she's gonna be the next little YouTuber, and I'm so proud.
This is the first time, bro, I've ever not stuttered in this YouTube video. Literally. Like, literally. Like, I don't be asking questions no more. That's probably because I'm calm right now, but yeah. I got some salt and pepper.
All right, here. All right, I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick.
Okay, wait, move this. This is too heavy for me. I have chicken wings. Wait. I don't like dry food. I like juicy food. Juiciness. Okay, let's attempt to eat this without putting it everywhere. I got this. How the fuck am I supposed to eat all of this? I got all this shit on my face. Oh my god, this is really good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Try. Try, bro.
I did not think that was gonna be good. And I was like, cause she's
such a picky eater.
No, she's such a picky eater. I was like, this is probably trash. I was literally like this. Oh my god, look at us. We're both fitting in the same. I was like, this is probably trash, honestly. And I'm gonna just have to like, you know, break it to her in a nice way, because I never want to hurt her feelings, but I refuse to be fake, especially with her. But that is actually so good, like the chicken and stuff. If you haven't tried Super Arepa, this is not sponsored, but holy cow, I would get this. And for $10, did y'all see the size of this?
Yeah, bro.
Did y'all see the size of this? Like, jeez, bro. It's really good. It's really good. I kind of regret not getting one, because I didn't get one because I ate this morning. I'm not hungry.
No arepa for
good.
you.
All right.
No tuti. Anyway, time to eat. I'm gonna be quiet for like a whole 10 minutes straight because I'm so hungry. I wonder what kind of cheese they put. Cause they say no Venezuelan cheese. Oh, so ugly. You think I talk while I eat? Oh, that's this one. Oh, this is so good. You can have a piece. I feel like it's missing salt because I like my food salty. I know Patricia probably doesn't, but
I hate salty food.
I love salt for food. I don't normally eat this messy, just so you know. I like to keep my hands clean. Look at her. No! I can't even see her. I give her a pollito. Tastes so good, bro. I'm a mess right now. We need music.
No, I'll get copyrighted.
Bro, look at this shit. I'm almost halfway done. Patty, edit that part out, bro, because that was so bad. Let me repeat it. If you were human, you would love how this tastes. I see you, girl. What did I say before? I said something. Oh my god, it was Coke. It just hits the spot. I'm in heaven. Anyway, I don't really like these sauces because they're just not my preference. Look at her. Time to attempt. What are you eating, pollito? I may be skinny, but I eat a lot. Right there. Just eating off of my legs. I'm not full. I can eat like one more of this. I haven't eaten the whole day. It's so pretty outside. It is so pretty outside. I look kind of rough today. That's okay. But Lena, what you doing, bro? What are you doing? Why are you so cute? You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy, friend. You're so fluffy.
They can't see.
Look at how much I eat. Do you still have the pico de gallo from the craft?
Yeah.
I guess she bought this from her too. But this tastes good. I'm getting full. basically almost finished with this. I'm so full right now. But overall, this arepa tasted so freaking good. I think you guys should try it out. If you live in Broward, you should go to Super Arepa or any place that literally sells arepa. Just like get it. And then I'm gonna have a few fries. That actually tastes better cold. I'm not the person who likes cold food. I don't like hot food. I'm weird. But yeah. You ready? Okay, so should I say, okay guys, thank you for watching?
Yeah.
And then after. My face looks lopsided.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Redo.
Redo it?
Yeah, because I thought I was gonna say it with you.
Okay.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.
That was so off.
Go ahead and comment down below if you guys want to see more videos where Isa kind of like takes over and does her own thing. I love that she's coming out of her comfort zone and doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching her eat. Watching people eat is one of my favorite things to do because I love to eat. So
honestly, watching people eat helps me want to eat because I used to like
Right.
not have an appetite, but now I'm getting there.
Yeah. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and comment down below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't skip the ads. Your girl just got monetized. Don't skip the ads, okay? Help your girl out. And we'll see y'all soon. Bye.